Hello, foodies and design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Home Decor, where we blend the flavors of culinary delights with the aesthetics of beautiful interiors. Today, we're serving up some kitchen inspiration to transform your cooking space into a stylish and functional haven. But before we dive into the design feast, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's get cooking with creativity. Our first kitchen inspiration is a nod to modern minimalism, a style that's clean, sleek, and effortlessly chic. Embrace simplicity with clean lines, neutral colors, and uncluttered surfaces. This kitchen style not only looks sophisticated, but also enhances functionality, making it a perfect choice for those who appreciate a streamlined cooking space. If you're drawn to warmth and character, our next kitchen inspiration brings the charm of rustic elements into your culinary haven. Infuse your kitchen with the warmth of rustic wood, vintage accents, and earthy tones. It's a timeless style that creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for those who love a touch of nostalgia in their cooking space. For the tech-savvy chefs out there, our third kitchen inspiration introduces a sleek and high-tech culinary environment. Step into the future with a kitchen that combines sleek surfaces and the latest smart appliances. From touch control faucets to integrated digital displays, this kitchen inspiration is all about blending innovation with style. Dreaming of a kitchen that feels like a seaside retreat? Our next inspiration brings coastal vibes into your culinary space. Infuse your kitchen with the breezy, relaxed feel of coastal living. Think light colors, natural textures, and perhaps some nautical-inspired decor. It's like bringing the beach into your home, minus the sand. Our final kitchen inspiration pays homage to timeless traditions, creating a space that exudes classic elegance. Go for timeless appeal with classic cabinetry, intricate details, and perhaps a statement chandelier. This kitchen inspiration is perfect for those who appreciate the enduring charm of traditional design. And there you have it, a smorgasbord of kitchen inspiration to tantalize your design taste buds. Which kitchen style resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary and design delights. Until next time, happy cooking and decorating.